Hey guys, it is that time of the month. We are unboxing yet another Ivy box. It is for the month of October. It literally just came today, so we are going to unbox it together. I have no idea what this box is. I have yet to see a preview. I didn't get a shipping notification or anything, so I'm kind of excited. Like, this is like a real unveiling of the Ivy box. Beat up in the packaging, so hopefully, yeah, this box is all beat up. Okay, so it's not the box this year, excuse me, this month. It is the bag. Okay, so it's not the box, it's the bag. So we're gonna open it. Okay, it's still wrapped and sealed like it was about. Alrighty, so this month's theme is health is wealth. Okay, health is wealth. So what is in the box? It is an AKA varsity sweater, a multi-strand pearl necklace, AKA breast cancer awareness lapel pin, an AKA breast cancer examination shower hanger. Okay, so if you guys don't know, October is breast cancer awareness month, so this is perfect. It is on brand, it is on trend, targeting women's health, so this is great. And so yeah, are you invested in your health? Don't forget your breast health. Studies show that Black women are considerably more likely to die from breast cancer when compared to white women, but early screening and detection significantly increase survival rates. So, my ladies, that's especially important. Okay, so this is to start with the lapel pin. It is the breast cancer pink symbol with the 20 pearl insignia. Okay, that is cute. Okay, inside a nice cloth jewelry bag with the letters, and it's like a nice cloth. You got Ivy box written on there. And I was just about to buy a chunky pearl necklace, so this is perfect. Okay. So it has gold detailing. Here, it's not gonna zoom in, of course, but it says Ivy box, and it's just a chunky set of pearls. So I'm not gonna put it all the way on. I guess I could put it on. That's cute. And it's very cute that it comes with its own jewelry bag. Okay, so here is the shower hanger to examine your breast for lumps or any other abnormalities. Okay, so you want to hang that right in the shower. And last but not least, and I love black paraphernalia. Ooh, I love black para. Because I love wearing black. I always wear black balls, like, ooh, I love black paraphernalia, child. And this is cute. Okay, so it has the insignia and it's pink and green on the bottom. with pink marble-like buttons. So we're gonna try this thing on. Oh, I love black paraphernalia, y'all. Yes. I wish there was a vendor that sold just black and white paraphernalia. Maybe that's something I should start. Oh, all this hair. Okay. And so this is a size medium and it fits perfect. And what's even better is I have an event this weekend where I need to be business casual, and I was really toying like, what am I gonna wear? What am I gonna wear? Boom! It came right on time. Alrighty, so that's October's Ivy box. Once again, it is a hit. So glad that I'm subscribed to this service. Sorors, if you need an Ivy box subscription, a referral link is in the description box, so make sure you subscribe because it has actually been a great year except for one box. I've loved all boxes. So 9 out of 10, 90%, okay? That's great. So stay tuned for more videos and I'll see you next time.